Yellowstone National Park is the world's first national park on March 1, 1872. Mostly in Wyoming, the park spreads into parts of Montana and Idaho too. It features dramatic canyons, alpine rivers, lush forests, hot springs and gushing geysers, including its most famous Old Faithful Inn side picture. A National Historic Landmark, the Old Faithful Inn is the most iconic building in Yellowstone National Park. Designed by Robert Reamer and built in 1903 to 1904 with local logs and stone, the inn is considered the largest log structure in the world.
And I think to myself,
Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone National Park is the largest hot spring in the U.S., famous for its vibrant rainbow colors caused by heat-loving bacteria and algae that thrive in different temperature zones, creating rings of color around the deep blue, near boiling center.
so white, the bright blessed day, and the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. I hear babies crying and I watch them grow. They learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I heard my babies crying, they've learned much more than old Rod will ever know. And I think to myself,
Mountain Washburn is one of the most popular day hiking destinations in Yellowstone. Its peak elevation is 10,219 feet, 3,115 meters, and panoramic views for about 20 to 50 miles.
it's a wonderful world. To myself, it's a wonderful